Hello, you're welcome back again. I still remain Jack Sax. To continue our teaching series on the reversible slots, we are going to be considering the reversible slots part 2. Right now, I'm going to show you the difference between the reversible slots part 1 and the reversible slots part 2. Now, here in reversible slot part 2, there are basic factors you are going to consider, and these factors are: you are going to slot to the principal notes. Right now, play a semitone below the landing note, and thereafter play the landing notes. Now, before on the part 1, what we said was you slurring to the principal note, play a semitone above the landing notes. But here we are talking about what? Play a semitone below the landing note. That's just the difference between the reversible slot part 1 and that of part 2. Now, here what we are talking about, and of course you know that when we are talking about the reversible slots, we are talking about a movement that flows in a descending order, right? A melodic descending order of notes. Alright, now for instance, like you are moving from re to do, mi to re, fa to mi, so to fa, la to so, ti to la, do to ti. The first on the series is this. We have it to be what? Alright, here now we're going to be playing what? The movement from re to do, you'll be playing what? De, ti, do. Now, when you have mi to re, what you are going to play is going to be what? Mi, re, mi. Now, what if you have fa to mi? You play what? Mi, fa, re, mi. Now, when you have so to fa, what you are going to play? You are going to do what? So, mi, fa. Alright? You play what? So, mi, fa. Now, what if you have la to so? You play what? La, fi, so. Okay? Now, what if you have ti to la? You are going to play what? To, ti, la. Then, when you have do, you play what? Ti, do, to, ti. Okay, now let me mention this movement again. I said we're going to play what? Alright? Now we're still going to consider the chorus of I Surrender All. Alright? Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, so, la, so, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Now, but this is what they are going to do. Can you hear that? Do, ti, la, fi, so, mi, fa. That has substitute for what? A movement from ti to la and la to so. Then you have ti, la, so, fa, mi. Mi, fa, re, mi, ti, si, la, fi, so, mi, fa, re, mi. Alright, there. Fi, so, si, la, si, so. Do, ti, si, la. Alright. Fi, so, mi, fa, re, mi, di, re, ti, do. Okay, now I'm going to take it slowly now.